Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, you know my name is Sissy. Welcome to my page. Okay, so in today's video I am gonna be telling y'all how got to be glue spray saved my life. Okay, so you see that bounce curl on my hair, I got like, you know, a loose curl, wavy, or whatever you want to call it. So that's what I'm gonna be talking about. So got to be glue hairspray saved my life today. They just saved my life, so that's what I'm gonna be doing today. Because guys, what's up everybody? So this week is my birthday, so I have this wig. So I am trying to prep the wig before I put it on. So what I did when I washed it, I was not sure if I wanted to have the wig straight back or if I wanted to have some curls. So I did spray some tango free leave-in conditioner on the hair. So now I changed my mind, so I wanted to curl it. The first 3 curls that I did, I realized that the hair is not holding the curls. So because I put the tango free leave-in conditioner on the hair, so it's not gonna hold the curls if you do that. So what I'm gonna do, so I am gonna try this. It's my first time doing it. I don't know how the result's gonna be. So I am gonna be using some got to be spray to see if that gonna hold my curls at some point and see, like, you know, what's the result. Okay, so you guys be patient and watch the video till the end, so guys you can see the final result of it. So that's what I'm doing. I'm gonna be using some little bit of got to be to see if that can hold my curls a little bit, because I changed my mind. I wanted to have a curly wig. So stay tuned, watch the video till the end, and you guys let me know. Okay, so let me jump right into the video. So far, as you can see, I already started some work. So I am just gonna be continue, and I'm gonna be showing you guys the step-by-step how I did it. And as you can see, I already do, like, you know, a couple curls and they come out so perfectly. So I think actually the got to be glue was not a bad the got to be glue spray was not a bad idea at all. So let's keep doing it and see what's the final result gonna be. So as you can see, I part the hair in small section and I comb it very well. And then so what I do next, I try to flat iron it a little bit, so I straight it first before I put the got to be, because the hair just came out of wash. I just blow dry it and then start. Okay, so that's why I flat iron it first, because I wanted to make it a little bit straight. And then after, I comb it again and spray some got to be glue, and here we go. We're just gonna make the curl. So the got to be glue is doing me so well so far. I am so happy. I'm not done yet, but I can look at the couple curls that I did and I can see that, okay, so I'm getting where I want it to be. So as you can see in the video, I don't put the got to be glue on the root of my wig because I was scared that the got to be glue spray will make it tangle or will mess it up. So I don't spray the got to be glue on the roots. I just go in the middle to the ends. When I comb it down, I just spray a little bit and then I comb it down so that the got to be glue move to the end of my hair. So that's what I am doing. So I am gonna be like stop talking, so that's the same thing. I'm keep repeating the same process again. I comb it and flat iron, and I take my curly iron and curly the wig. Okay, so that's basically what I'm doing. And stay tuned, keep watching the video so that you can see the final result. And you guys, the bounce on the curls are just amazing, and the got to be glue just add, like, you know, the shine, the bounce, you know, it's just unbelievable. It's the first time I tried this and I didn't watch anybody doing it, so I just I was just using my mind and said, okay, so what can I do to fix that, because I wanted to have a curly wig, you know. So and that's what I'm getting, and I'm still, you know, I still, like, I don't know, the result is just like, okay, keep watching so that I'm gonna give you guys a break. I'll see you guys later. Bye. as you can see, I did one side, and then you can see the difference. Okay, you can see the difference. You can see how the hair is holding the curls, and you can see the shine, and you can see, it's just beautiful. That's what I wanted. So this one has a little bit of curls without the got to be spray, and this side is the got to be spray glue, not the glue. What am I saying? Yeah, so this is the side. The other side is the got to be glue spray, that the process I did. So keep watching, and you're gonna see, guys, like when I put this wig on, like you know at the beginning you see how it's look like. You already see it. So I wanted to just show you what I did and how I did it. If you come across any problem like this, so you know next time what to do. And at the same time, guys, if you're new, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and comment. Let me know what y'all think, and anything that you guys want to see me doing for the next time, please let me know. Okay, because I love doing hair, I love doing makeup, I love fashion, I love, anything about beauty, I love. Okay, so anything that comes into your head that you wanted to see me doing, or you have a lack on, or you have some trouble like getting it right, so please comment and let me know what y'all think. All right, so now I'm gone for good. Bye. I'll see you guys next time. Love y'all.